Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll show you how to filter all your media in WordPress step by step. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the login button. On the sign in page, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Select that, then choose the Google account linked to your WordPress site. This way, you don't need to type in extra credentials. Nice and simple. Once you're logged in, head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the media library. This is the section where all your uploaded images, videos, and documents are stored. At the top of the media library, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled All Media Items. Click on it and you'll notice an option that says Mine. Go ahead and select it. Now just hit the filter button. And that's it. Your media library will refresh to show only the files you've personally uploaded. This is super handy if your site has multiple contributors or just a lot of files. By filtering, you can quickly organize, edit, or delete your own uploads without getting lost in everything else. And that wraps it up. You now know how to filter your media in WordPress with ease. Thanks for following along and happy organizing.